tractor next to you.
Oh, that's not supposed to be there.
저리 가. The reason why we're coming here for tractor.
Yeah, William's a bit of a tractor fanatic, aren't you?
Tractor.
You just love tractors. Don't you? You do. Gonna go see Tractor Ted. Well, I think I see him.
유준아, 쟤 뭐야?
What is it? What is it?
쟤 뭐야 저거?
The green one. Should we go see? Okay, let's go see. Tractor. What is it?
유준아, 저거 뭐야
I'm
저거?
so excited for him.
Huh?
I'm more excited than him. Look at the tractor. See? Oh, go look. There it is. You see?
저 트랙터.
That's right. The green one. Oh. Should we have a look? Look how big
Look at the wheel here. 아, 윌리엄. 유준아,
I wouldn't do without.
트랙터 바퀴 진짜 크지?
Which one do you want to see? I see a smile. Okay, should we go to this one then? You want us to have a look at this one? So lovely.
It's very nice.
Fresh air.
아, 예. 아, fresh air.
Look how big it is.
유준아, 바퀴 와, 바퀴.
This might be hot, so that's why I don't want them touching. No touching, okay? It's a bit big. Should we take it off?
너 트랙터? 저 뭐야, 트랙터?
Wait, just wait. Okay, just wait. Headlamps? Where are the headlamps? We find them? I think they're here. There they are. There's the headlamps. There. Shiny, isn't there? That one. Yeah. Tractor.
Left side.
Where should we sit? Yeah?
Yeah, it doesn't.
이쪽으로 앉아. 나 빨리 옆에.
와, 간다.
Hihi. Hihi.
네, 트랙터.
Look, what's that? A tractor.
Who think this kind of idea, like using tractor for?
It's lovely. It's really lovely. I love this kind of family thing.
잘 걸어. 진짜 무슨 냄새야? What smell is it?
It's not that bad, trust me. I've smelled this. I've stepped in one before. As a child. As a child.
Thank you for
Stepped in
showing
one.
that.
Fun times was not. Oh no!
We don't need to be rushed to go back. It's quite nice.
Careful. Go this side. Careful. It's not that cold actually.
Looks like Home Alone.
I think the hat is like 5 to 6. I bought it to put over his helmet.
Ah, yeah.
You'll grow into it. See now this is, I'd rather pay money to have milk from this kind of,
Yeah.
this is how it should be.
응. He's into it.
Turn round. Have you seen the cows? The cows say,
Cow.
they're very skinny cows.
Maybe
I wonder what type they are.
they walk out a lot.
The other ones look like bulls, but like similar to, reminded me of Brahmin, but not Brahmin. That's a windmill. This bit reminds me of the Peak District in England. I mean, it's not that similar, but it's just got the same kind of
He want
feel
always.
about it.
He always want to hold both hands.
Yeah, because this kind of place is hilly, but it's got grass. Whereas usually in Korea, it's quite
Right.
tree-like.
She really like we are in England now. I don't know because the first time to know Korea has this kind of
It
place.
reminds me of the Peak District. The leaves. Ooh. Okay, got you.
유진이 어디가?
I'm assuming we can go this way.
Hmm?
I'm assuming we can go this way.
응.
But it's better to go that way because the cows are there.
I don't know why he's going this way.
Oh, we're down.
Down.
It's a bit slippy. I don't want to go too far. My shoes are not.
유진 잘 걷네.
And his shoes aren't very grippy.
I hope he's gonna sleep well tonight. Hopefully. They say like there's no, you don't need to worry about fine dust here and then, but you can see the like some sand dust. But if you wanna sit on the bench,
Oh, that's cute.
you can use that brush.
Ooh.
I think we
Should start making our way back. It's so peaceful. Oh, so nice. Oh, it's so nice.
켜.
I think this might be one of my favorite places.
뱀 조심.
Then again, maybe not. Wouldn't be in winter, would it?
Huh?
Would it be in winter? You'd
No.
see snakes.
No, winter they sleep.
Hibernate. There goes the tractor. See? The dog. Your little dog.
I don't know, suddenly reminds of Jurassic Park.
The dinosaur's gonna come.
Yeah.
Horses. No. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. It's a horse. 안녕. It's a white
Oh, there's a
horse.
black horse too.
Is there
White
more-
horse,
there are
black
more
horse.
coming.
Yeah.
There's another one. Oh wow. I don't want to go too close when they're drinking.
They're fighting. I want to drink more. I want to drink worse.
He's a big boy. I think he wants to, but I'm a bit nervous going a bit too close.
When you go down, it can give a fade shape.
Look at the tractor.
Going back by yourself? 혼자 가는 거야?
So young. I think they're quite young. Look, front. That's it. Look at the sheepy. Oh, lovely.
Here, next to you.
Oh, that's not supposed to be there.
No.
Ay. 하지마.
야, 여기.
Yeah, but I think we should tell them because that one shouldn't be here.
예. 저리 가. 여기 스쿠스키.
Just go tell them that there's one out.
저기 양 한 마리가 탈출했는데 어떻게 해요? 놔둬요?
나갔다 들어갔다.
아, 그래요?
He likes it. I'm just trying to find the long pieces for him. Right, hold here. Hold here. Okay. Oh, you like it, though? Okay, let me hold it. What do you say in Korean? Like sheep say?
매.
Oh, same. We say meh or ba.
유준아 재밌었어? Did you enjoy it?
I've loved it here. Absolutely. Never mind him. We came for him, but actually I really enjoyed it.
Oh, yeah. I enjoy it too.
I think Tractor's going to sleep now. To
I
bed?
think we better leave now because it's getting darker.
Yeah, I think it's better
Yeah.
to go back.
Yeah.